Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the text background color in the Canva app. So here what you want to do is you want to click on the text. Once you click on the text, at the top here there is a toolbar, so click on effects right here. Then on the left hand side it will show another panel, it will pop out. Now in here there is a style, so you want to go down and then we go down to color right here and click on the color. Now select a color that you want to change it to, so say we're going to select red, that will change it to red right here, pink, purple, so select one of the color that you would like to use and that will change the text background color. Now you can also change the transparency of the background as well. Here you can change the transparency of the text background. You can also change the transparency here as well. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.